Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the puzzle page of the weekend edition of Saturday, May the 18th, 2024. We have here six puzzles. Those puzzles are the 2 stars, 4 star Sudoku, Killer Sudoku, with two binaries, one with 4 stars, one with 3 stars, and the last puzzle is a tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku. Four of them I will solve this evening. The other two I will left for the for Monday. Yes, Monday. It's with Monday. We have no newspaper, so I will do those two puzzles on Monday. The first one I will solve is the 4 star Sudoku. 4 star Sudoku number 8558. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, let me count those printed digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 26 printed digits should be at 2 stars. Actually, regards to 4 stars, in the additional has 24 printed digits. This one has 26. Should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Question is this a 4 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. All right. Let me see. 5. Okay. 5. We have a 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. On that column, the only place level 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, and a 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 5. We have a 3 and a 5 in this row. So no 3 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. For the first one, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8. Let me mark those 6 and 8. Okay. 8. We have a 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above, so that row, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 in that row, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column, so the first column. Only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8. Cannot continue at 8 now. Need to wait. Need to wait. How about? Need a 5 here. Need a 5. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the first row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Right. Let me see. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column, so in the third column. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. Okay. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the last row, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. We have 1 in the middle column, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1, 1, okay. 2. And I need a 3 here. Okay. Interesting. 3, 3, 3, 3. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 in these 3 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3, 3. Need a 3 there. Cannot continue with the 3 now. Need to wait. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in the third column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. No 1 goes at there. 6, 6. Okay. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the third column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. Then, let me see. 6, 6, 6. And I need a 6, 6, 6. Well, cannot continue with the 6. I need to wait. Then, need a 4 here. I need a 4 there. I need a 6 here also. 4, 6. Come on. 9, 9, 9, 9. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Come on. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing numbers in the middle row is number 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in the middle row. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, so we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box can be 6 and more. That box should be 6. And this box should be in the 8 then. 8 in this column. 8 in the last column. 8 in that column. So the column between only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the third row. No 8 there. 8 in the second row. No 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Which is number 2, number 8. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 and a 4 in the first column, so no 2 and 4 in this box. 2 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in the last row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Alright, and now. No. Let me see. 1 and a 9. 1 and a 9. 1. Here can be 1. Need a 1 here. Need a 2 here. In the second row, we need a 2. Well. These 2 boxes can be 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 2 in the second row should be there. So 2 numbers left in the second row. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Well, I cannot place the 9 there because we have a double 9 in the last column. So here can be a 9, so the 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. All right, 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now. In the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7, we have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then, let me see. 6 and a 9, okay. All right. How about the number? The number, let me see. 7. I need a 4 here. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 here. Well, 1, 1. Need a 9, 9, 9. And I need a 7 here. 7. How about these? No. 6, 9, 3, and need a 7. 7, okay. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now. In the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the third one. No 4 there. 4 should be there. Do we have 4 4s? No. 4, 4, 4, 4. Alright. 9, 9, 9, 9. I need a 7 here also. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the third column. No 1 in these 2 boxes. The 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row. 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be there. I cannot continue with the 1 now. I need to wait. 3 and then 2. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for 2 should be there. 2, 2. 2, 2. Cannot continue with the 2. 1 box left in the first row for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for 3 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. Do we have all the 3s? Yes. And all the 3s are used. I can't see. This is number 3. Alright. Then 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay. 2 and 6 is missing. 2 and 6. Okay, we need a 2 here. 2, 2, 2, 2. 6, 9, and yeah. In this row, we need a 7. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in the last column. No 7 there. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. Only place left is 7 should be there. So the 6 and the 9 are left in this row. 6 and 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 goes there. So 1 box left in this big square for number 6. Then, yeah. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 9 in the second column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 1 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 in the second column. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in the third column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then, let me see. And now, how about we need a 4, need a 2, and we need a 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left is 6, should be there. 1 box left in the middle column for number 1, the 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there, finished in 50 minutes. Well, we solved again, 15 to 20 minutes, definitely a 2 stars, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it all solved by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.